Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TickPick how to get tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to buy tickets on TickPick, what you need to do first is head over and open up your TickPick. Then make sure to be logged into your account as well. Once logged into your account, here what you can do is tap on the search bar and enter the event name, and you can also simply explore to the options, and if the selected event is listed on the home screen, all you gotta do is simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, here you find the dates that is given to you for the tickets. Simply select the date, and then once you select the date, here what you need to do is select your seating. Now go to the options, and then once you have selected your seating, all you gotta do is review your order and proceed to checkout. Then provide your payment details to complete the purchase, and after your order is processed, you receive a confirmation email with your order details. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.